Okay, for the main course, I'm going to be making a chicken. And I basically cut this chicken into 4 pieces. I have a nice chicken. It was cheaper to buy than that expensive package. And I basically cut it, I start off with cutting the front. And this is probably not how I've been taught. But I start off by cutting the front part, and then with a very sharp knife. Like a nice knife. This is my knife. I had this in school, so it's pretty good too. It's a pretty good knife. Anyways, and then I go behind it and I break the back and I cut it behind the back. You could use kitchen shears as well. And then I cut it along here, you know, and then I cut the wing and I fold the wing back. This is what my auntie taught me how to do. My aunt. Let me put the wing behind. There's a little feather. You don't want the feather in there. You want to take the feather out. Make sure there's no feathers. And then you put it behind the wing here, like that. And see how it's behind? It's like it goes behind, like this. Once you cut it. There you go. That's a nice way to do chicken wings. If you want to make chicken wings. I gave you a tidbit. And then you stick it in a bowl. And then you marinate it in buttermilk. I'm going to, a lot of people use different marinades, but I'm going to marinate it in buttermilk. But instead of buttermilk, I'm going to be using a kefir because I don't want it to waste. See, and I want to use it. And then might marinate the whole chicken, or I kind of want to make a chicken soup, but you know, I might end up marinating this whole chicken because I really want an oven fried chicken. Not a fried chicken in the oil, but an oven fried chicken, which is going to be nice, and it's going to be friendlier than your deep fried chicken. I love deep fried chicken, but I haven't made oven fried chicken in a while. So I'll show you what that one's going to